Since 1989, the Right Stuff Brake Company has been manufacturing the best and most complete selection of original equipment and performance upgrade brake-related product line available. Known for its quality components, knowledgeable staff, and massive vehicle coverage that includes over 15,000 parts, the Right Stuff Brake Company is your one-stop shop when it comes time to either repair or take your brake system to the next level. Located in Westerville, Ohio, and shipping worldwide, the Right Stuff Brake Company offers a complete line of award-winning disc brake conversion kits that range from mild to wild options, including 2- and 4-wheel disc brake conversion kits that have every component you need to install them right the first time. Want to upgrade your existing brake system with quality components that don't break the bank? Right Stuff has you covered no matter what your braking needs are, with components like master cylinders, brake boosters, proportioning valves, and other components you need to get your vehicle back on the road. And don't forget, the Right Stuff carries thousands of application-specific, pre-bent brake, fuel, transmission lines, all offered in original OE steel or in a stainless steel for that long-lasting custom look that fit exactly like the originals did, making for an easy leak-free installation. The Right Stuff's high-quality disc brake conversion kits, braking components, and pre-bent hardlines can all be found at leading automotive restoration and performance retailers. When shopping brakes, be sure to get the Right Stuff. Ask for it by name.